Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you do your makeup. This video is intended for the less experienced audience, so if you really don't know the basic makeup steps, I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all do it today. I already did my eyebrows. If y'all want a tutorial on how to do that, it's gonna be right up there. Thank you so much for almost 1,500 subscribers. Like, that is out of this world. I cannot even believe it. So yeah, this video is for you and I really hope you enjoy. Bye. This is my foundation that I normally use. It is the Professional Kiss New York Drop Foundation and my shade is in Caramel. So yeah, normally I would prime because that's a very important step to do, and because when you prime you cover up your pores, but my responsible self cannot find my primer. So yes, now the goal here is to get an even distribution all throughout your whole entire face. So yeah, normally people use a beauty sponge, but I am more comfortable with a brush, so you could use either one. All right, here we are, looking gorgeous, beautiful as ever. And I also applied some on my neck area, but not like over here, but like just on my neck area, just so it could match my skin a little bit. But since this foundation does oxidize as well, I don't really have to worry about that because it's gonna match my skin anyways. I'm gonna be taking my concealer and I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Almond. So I'm gonna be taking my concealer and I'm gonna be applying it everywhere that I want to kind of be brightened up. Okay, so guys, I'm done highlighting and now I'm gonna blend out my highlighted areas. A tip is to blend out the places that you want to be least highlighted first. So example would be your forehead, your chin, your mustache area, and your nose, and then you highlight your under eyes. The reason for this is so when you go to your under eyes, finally there will be more product on the brush and on your under eyes, so you get the most highlighted effect. I hope you understand my English. Okay, so here when you're highlighting under your eyes, focus more on this area than this area, because if you focus more on this area and you put more product on this area, it's basically gonna make your face look wider and like overall just bigger. So just focus on this area because this is really gonna help your nose, and I'm gonna tell you why when I get to that part. Okay guys, now that we have gotten all the highlighting out of the way, we are now going to contour, and for that I use the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. I use the most darkest shade mixed with my foundation color, and yeah, I'm just gonna contour where it needs to be more definition and more depth. Okie dokie, so this might look a little crazy, but the same thing applies to highlighting, to contouring as well. So just contour the places that you want to be less darkened first, and in the places that you want to be more darkened, just do those last. Now I'm gonna go back in with the brush that has the contour, the foundation, and the highlighter on it, and I'm gonna be blending that out. Okay guys, so now that I'm done carving out my contour, I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender. I kind of sprayed it with a little bit of setting spray a little bit. I'm gonna do that again because it dried up. But I'm just gonna be taking it so I could pick up my setting powder. I do this because I don't want to set it with the brush because I feel like that's so messy and it kind of like splashes everywhere. A tip is put something on you so when you're putting the powder, when it falls down, it doesn't fall on your outfit. I had to learn that the hard way. Yes, I did. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now it's time to contour with a different brush. I like to use my James Charles palette. Love him to death. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Okay, now that I'm done doing the contour, I'm gonna take a little brush. I'm gonna go back in with that same color and contour my nose. So now I'm gonna be putting some setting powder on the tip of the beauty blender. I'm gonna carve out the contour. I'm gonna be using these huge dramatic lashes. If y'all want a lash tutorial, just ask in the comment box below and I got y'all. Okay, so guys, I went ahead and I put my eyelashes on. So now I'm just gonna dust off all this powder because it has been baking for way too long. I'm gonna still be going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here. So beautiful, awesome, amazing, glittery, shining. I love you, James Charles. Please collaborate with me one day. Damn. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now I'm gonna take my setting spray and spray my face. While my face is drying, I'm gonna just outline my lips. The reason for that is to just, you see how like my lips already lost their color because of the foundation, the concealer, and everything that went on. I'm just gonna go over my lips with this brown pencil so I can have my lip shade back, and yeah. What I like to do is just get a little pencil. Voila, this is the look. So yeah, out. Bye, love you.